friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Today we are going to make a video for homemade remedies to remove the wrinkles. Wrinkles are also known as rhytides. They are creases in the skin that become pronounced with aging as the skin loses its natural elasticity. Fine lines around the eyes, mouth, on the neck. Skin sagging in different areas, especially on the face and neck. Loose skin on the hands. Deep wrinkles on frows around the lips and eyes. While certain areas of the face are prone to develop wrinkles, one may not be able to identify them early on the apply. Right anti-aging treatment and reduce the chances of their appearance. Kalvanji oil for wrinkles. You will need, now let's start the remedy. 1 tablespoon olive oil, half tablespoon Kalvanji oil, black seed oil, and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Now what we have to do, take a bowl and put all the ingredients, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half tablespoon Kalvanji oil, and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Make a blend both 3 of them oils and apply it on the affected area. Massage for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't rinse it off at least a few hours. How often you should do this? We can do this before going to bed at every night. How this work? Widely used in the Middle East and Southeast Asia for its healing properties. Black seed oil or Kalvanji oil contains a rich variety of phytochemicals that are beneficial for the body and skin. Its unsaturated fatty acids like linoleic acid and oleic acid moisturize the skin. The antioxidants present in it reverse the damage caused by oxidative stress. Number 2. Baking soda mask for wrinkles. Baking soda masks to get wrinkle-free skin. You will need 1 tablespoon baking soda, water, and now take a bowl. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, add 1 tablespoon water into it, mix it for minimum 5 minutes, and now use this scrub as a small area as it is not be harmful for your skin. Scrub for a few minutes in circular motions, rinse with water, pat dry and moisturize. You can apply the baking soda paste as a mask and let it dry for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. How often you should do this? Baking soda mask or scrub can be used twice a week. Why this work? Baking soda is an exfoliating product that removes dead cells and also impurities that have accumulated in your pores. It improves the cell turnover and blood circulation, which help in reducing wrinkles. Caution: this home remedy can leave your skin a little dry. Do not forget to moisturize the skin after this. I hope these 2 remedies are beneficial for you. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.